Considering the ongoing pandemic, the CBSE has taken decision for the evaluation of class 10 and class 12, and we will discuss this matter in this editorial, perfecting the test. So by the title it is clear that the CBSE has tried to make perfect this test of 10th and 12th class. CBSE's plan for class 10 and 12 assessment. Assessment means to evaluate, should incorporate needs of stressed schools. So editorial says that in this pandemic time, in these times of pandemic, a lot of schools are already in tension, they are stressed, so their needs should be considered, their needs should be taken into account. Preparing for an uncertain academic year ahead means before, during the pandemic, the Central Board of Secondary Education has decided on an assessment means evaluation scheme for class 10 and 12 for 2021-22 under various scenarios. Editorial says that due to pandemic there may be you can say that there may be different scenarios. We can't say about the future period. Maybe possible we may suffer with second wave of coronavirus. We may suffer with third wave of coronavirus, or we may suffer with fourth wave of coronavirus, or it is also possible that with the help of vaccination we may get control over the coronavirus. So editorial says that all the circumstances has been taken into consideration. So editorial says that preparing for an uncertain academic year ahead during the pandemic. Pandemic means a widespread disease. Here pandemic means coronavirus. So the Central Board of Secondary Education has decided the scheme to evaluate class 10 and class 12 for 2021-2022 under various scenarios and under various circumstances. So there are many possibilities have been taken into consideration, including the possibility that board examination can be conducted. So chances are there, if we get hold of coronavirus, then the physical examinations may be conducted. Should means if, here should gives the sense of if circumstances improve. Editorial says that if circumstances allow, then we may organize physical examination. The year gone by means the year that has passed was extremely challenging for all boards. So editorial says that the year that passed was very challenging. We faced a lot of difficulties during that year, and the CBSE had to hastily means you can say that hurriedly come up with. When you come up with a solution, it means you bring a solution, a scheme. Then CBSE brought a scheme to assess candidates in class 12. So during last year you can say that we faced a lot of challenges, and during that year we had to bring a scheme to assess or to evaluate class 12. It became clear that even with its high emphasis of academics, there was considerable deprivation. When you are in a state of deprivation, means you cannot have something. If you are deprived of something, means you cannot have that thing. For some students, editorial says that although the CBSE tried hard, to improve academics, but still there were a lot of students who couldn't get access to education, and not all got the opportunity to complete their syllabus or attend online classes, even in the national capital. So even in the national capital it was not possible for a lot of students to take online classes. The wide coverage of the board as of 2019. Editorial gives the data of 2019. So during 2019 CBSE covered 1138 Kendriya Vidyalayas, 2727 government schools and 17,553 independent schools, 598 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya and 14 Central Tibetan schools and schools abroad. Abroad means schools situated in, you can say that, in foreign. So it will say that these schools were covered by the CBSE during 2019. The diversity. Diversity means, you can say that, variety of students and their varied means different background. So editorial says that we have a lot of students and we have a variety of students and they are from different backgrounds was apparently reckoned. Recon means, you can say that, to recognize something, and apparently, when something is apparent to you, it means it is very obvious to you, it is very clear to you, reckoned to some degree. While drafting means to prepare something, the scheme for the coming year, the year that is coming. So when the CBSE prepared its latest scheme for assessment, it clearly recognized that we have different variety of students and these students belong to different backgrounds, which includes a mix of internal assessment for class. So during the recent drafting process, CBSE included a mix of internal assessments for class 9, 12 and 11, 12 and term examinations in November, December and March. Term means a fixed time period, and in March, April 2022. So what editorial says that during November, December and during March, April, so there will be term examinations like half yearly, or you can say that after 1 year. There will be a rationalized means something that is logical, compartmentalized syllabus. When you divide something into compartments, means you divide it, when you compartmentalize something means you divide something. Split also means to divide into 2 halves for each term. So the syllabus has been divided into 2 parts. The scheme, we are talking about the latest scheme of CBSE, which has the benefit of advanced planning unlike the past year. So during the past year we didn't have, you can say that, we didn't have any planning, but at present we have advanced planning. Must be responsive to the issues faced by all institutions in a remote location. If something or if any institution is situated in a remote location, it means that institution is situated in a far reaching area. So what editorial says that at present we must consider the schools which are situated in a far reaching place. And the deprivation, I already tell you, deprivation means to not have the facility. When you cannot get the facility, then you may say that you are deprived of that facility. Deprivation faced by less privilege. If you are privileged, it means you have special rights by less privileged students. So editorial says that the students, like you can say that the students who are living in a remote area, the rural students, they face a lot of difficulties to access the education. The CBSE's special scheme rely on means to depend on syllabus rationalization done through expert evaluation of interconnectivity of subjects and a centralized protocol of question papers. So editorial says that the CBSE's special scheme is completely dependent on rationalization done through expert evaluation. So you can say that the evaluation will be done by the experts, and a centralized protocol means you can say that a type of rule of question paper. There will be a standard question paper and marking scheme. There will be a standard marking scheme for the term examinations. In the case of term 1, so in its scheme, the CBSE has divided the exam in two terms, term 1 and term 2. In the case of term 1, it will be a multiple choice questions. So in term 1, MCQ type questions will be asked, and the paper will be of 90 minutes, stretching over 90 minutes with machine readable optical marking. So editorial said that there will be no difficulty in checking the copies of the students, because there will be machine readable optical marking. You have to just make, you can say that you have to just round your circle. And for term 2, a short and long answers model. So at present the CBSE has decided that for second term, short and long answers model, if circumstances permit. It means if we get hold over coronavirus, then we may conduct short and long answers model for the second term. Efficient is it may sound. Efficient means something that is of capable of something. So efficient as it may sound, the multiple choice model is critiqued by some as inferior. Inferior means something that is of low quality. So some critics say that the MCQ model is of low quality with sometimes irrelevant and meaningless questions. Editorial says that sometimes in MCQ we ask irrelevant and meaningless questions that add up to little in terms of assessment, and it is of no use during the term assessment, helping only the marking process. So editorial says that MCQ just makes marking process easy. An adjunct, if something is adjunct to something, it means it assists that thing. An adjunct to the MCQ pattern could be a decentralized process. So when you centralize something, means you take power of all things. When you decentralize the power, it means you delegate your power. So editorial says that an MCQ pattern could be changed with decentralized process. Empowering means to give power. Regional CBSE units and external experts to consider means to take into account the state of particular districts and come up with, means when you come up with something means you bring something. Assessments tailored. If you tailor something means you, like we say that the question paper has been tailored according to your needs. So it means we have taken your needs into account. So it is called tailor. Tailor means to fit, to prepare something that is fit for any particular type of activity, tailored to a specific situation. So editorial says that we have another option, that MCQ pattern could be decentralized, and we can handle 2 state CBSE units, or we can handle power to particular districts, and every district will monitor. If situation allows, then you may organize the exam. At the same time, the board has done well to plan for different scenarios that could be imposed. Impose means to implement something forcefully by the pandemic, means coronavirus, a widespread disease. So editorial says that if the pandemic gets out of control, then what we have to do, that plan also has been made by the CBSE, where either of the term examination or both cannot be held. It is possible if coronavirus gets out of control, then chances are there we can cancel one term or we can cancel both term examinations, or the second term has to be converted into the MCQ type, or it is also possible that we may convert second term into MCQ type. The fallback opposition in the worst case scenario is a combination of internal assessments, practical and project work. So it is fallback option. fallback option means any fallback option means any emergency, you can say that what you want to do in emergency, you know, it is your fallback option. So you can take the use of that option during emergency. So fallback option in the worst case scenario, you know, if the scenario is very bad, is a combination of internal assessment, practical, project work, theory examination taken at home. So editorial says that if the pandemic gets, you can say that if the pandemic gets extremely out of control, then the last option is we can provide marks to students on the basis of assessments, practical, project work and theory examinations. The extreme uncertainty. The extreme uncertainty means something that is not sure. Underscore. Underscore means to highlight something. The need to take online classes, online lessons to all classes of students. So editorial says that the present situation highlights that there is a need that we should take online lessons to all classes of students. And factor in means to include something. Schools with special need. Here schools with special need means schools that provide education to the students who are disabled, like they have the mental disability, physical disability, emotional disability. So editorial says that we should pay special attention to the schools with special needs and must provide online classes to all schools.